Hi everyone. Okay, I really want to show you something really eerie and strange. Okay, so I took this video here at yesterday at 5:41 p.m. It's 2 a.m. right now on Monday. But okay, so this, look, it's kind of bluish. So that was 5:41. The next one is 6:03, number 14. Okay, this is 13. And then the other one is 14. Look at the difference in even the sound is different of my voice. It sounds like I'm underwater in this one. But in this one here, you can hear the birds at 5:41 in the late afternoon, really singing loudly. So check it out and see how the sky looks, this fog.
Okay, it is February 15th, 2015. Look at this. What kind of weather is this? Is this fog? And if it's fog, why does it feel like my lungs are burning? And listen to the birds. It's about 4:30 or 5 o'clock.
5:41.
I find this a bit strange. And look over there. Okay, there are where those smokestacks are, whatever they are. There is the wind turbine. The wind turbine, you can barely see it. I'd say this is eerie and the birds know it. The birds are sounding like it's dawn or something.
Okay, I'm going to stop it right there because I'm running out of disk space and I want to show you this other one. So one thing I want you to notice is how the color changes. The sound seems different, and also look at, here's one of those rod things. Let me just go forward and you can see it move. There it is. And then the other thing to notice when I start playing it is that, see, look at that. And I took some last summer where there were a whole bunch of these, like a few going in different directions. This is not a dragonfly. Dragonflies look different than this. See that? And, well, I don't know, maybe it's an insect, but kind of strange, don't you think? Well, lots of people have taken all kinds of videos of those types of things, but the amazing thing about this video here, let me start it at the beginning. Let me go to the beginning. The birds completely stopped. There's no sound of birds, barely, in a whole different area or something, but they just quit chirping.
Okay, it is February 15th, 2015, and it's a few minutes later, and listen how quiet it is now. Much, much quieter. So I wonder what that was all about. Pretty strange. They're still tweeting in some parts, but not around here. Not close to me where I'm standing right now. There we go.
Well, you get the picture, right? Pretty creepy, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Many blessings. And, you know, one time, just tell you this, one time I was looking at the internet really, really late at night, and I came across some people that were like from another planet, and they said that humans would be, they needed to have humans grow gills again. And have you ever seen that O2 advert where they have the bubbles coming up everywhere? It's like people are underwater. Strange. Thanks for watching. Many blessings. Bye for now.